You're so yellow. You're making me yellow. Stop making me so yellow. Fix yourself. I'll wait. Damn, look at this chest though. Can we just talk about that? Like, hey, you catch me glowing from every angle. Okay? If you want to see how to get this New Year's Eve inspired look, just keep on watching. That was so corny. I don't do that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aryelle Artistry here, and I'm coming at you with another look. So today we're going to be creating this dramatic, I know you've been waiting for it, this dramatic silver eye for New Year's. I am loving it. Like, it's so cute, and then I have a little bit of glitter in the center, just like a little surprise, you know. I think this is perfect for New Year's Eve, or if your birthday is coming up. Like, this is just a good smoky eye. Before I get into the video though, please subscribe to my channel, be a part of my mermaid squad. It is a new year coming up, so I have a bunch of videos coming out, so you don't want to miss that. And don't forget to turn the notification bell on right next to it so you know whenever I post. Sometimes I post every Thursday, sometimes I will surprise you and post a little bit earlier, so definitely turn that on. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what your New Year's resolution is. My New Year's resolution is to definitely read more. I do have an Audible that I'm going to be listening to, and I listen to more of like self-love motivational books. Every month I'll be posting what book I am listening to. If you guys follow me on social media, I'll be telling you every book that I'll be posting every month. And yeah, without further ado, I'm going to stop rambling. If you want to see how to get this New Year's inspired look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I did my brows off camera, and I also primed my eyelids just because I feel like it's repetitive. You've seen me do it before, and I do have a brow tutorial on my channel, so go check that out. And I primed my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape, what I usually use in tan sand. I haven't done a silver smoky eye in about like 6 years. So it's going to be pretty interesting. I'm excited to see what I come up with. So I basically want to have like a silver eye going into like a smoky black. So when you work with black, you want to start off with some kind of transition shade. You start with black, it's going to be way too harsh. So you want to have a transition color. So I'm going to start off with this gray eyeshadow right here by MAC. And you can use any dark gray eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using my Crown C512 brush, my fluffy brush, and just put that right in the crease. And you want to start slow. Don't go crazy with this. Like, I only dipped it in very lightly, and you see how I'm just like lightly putting it into the crease. And you want to concentrate the color like right here, and then slowly move to the inner corner. And if you are doing a smoky eye, make sure that you do have enough time, because smoky eyes, you can't rush them. Like I said in my last video, you don't want to rush makeup because you can tell. Especially with black, like this smoky eye, you definitely don't want to rush this. So make sure you have enough time. So I'm dipping it back into the eyeshadow and then just concentrating most of the color right here and then slowly going in. So today's my boo's birthday. So happy birthday, babe, if you're watching this. We're going out to dinner for his birthday. He has no idea where we're going because I didn't tell him. He knows like who's going, but he doesn't know where we're going. So I wanted to kind of keep that a surprise. So now I'm going to be going in with the C511 crown brush. It's the same as the MAC 217 brush. And I'm going to go into that same gray shade and just concentrate the color more into my crease. So what the C512 brush does is it kind of just blows it out. And then this one just concentrates right into the crease area. So we did put our ornaments on yesterday. I did film a video for that. So that actually should be up now. So go watch that if you want to see us decorate. It's actually pretty fun. We did it at like midnight. So I know we're like crazy. And we're so last minute. Like, it's December 18th. What is wrong with us? So now just to blend out the harsh lines, I'm going to be taking that same C512 brush that we used before. And just making sure everything's blended. So now I'm going to go in actually with a lid color, and then I'm going to do the black. So I really want this silver to be like, bam, you know, like I have glitter here too. Like, we're about to go like all New Year's Eve out. So I'm going to put white right here. And if you put white under any shadow, it's just going to make it more intense. So this is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I really like this pencil because it's so creamy. and it blends out really, really nicely. So I'm just going to put a little bit on and then take a brush and blend it out. So I'm going to be taking this C509 brush. This is a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going to blend it and kind of cut a little bit, and I'm just blending it on the edges. See how easily this blends? That's why I really like this milk pencil. So I'm just going to do one eye first, just because it is so creamy. I don't want it to crease on the other side while I'm working. Now I'm going to go in with this light silver shade right here. This is a MAC shadow, and I'm going to use just the eyeshadow shader brush. Definitely the white helped a lot. Do we even need glitter? Yes. So putting this lighter shade here is just really going to like open your eye. And now taking another clean shader brush, I'm going to be using this dark gray shade right here. And that's just going to blend into the gray on the crease. I'm just going to put it where I didn't put that lighter shade. And then I'm going to go back in with that lighter shade and just blend over here, just to marry the two. And then whatever's left over on your brush, you just want to put it right on top of that other shade, just so it looks like it's gradually going into it. Now to blend out these harsh lines, I'm going to be taking that C511 brush. Alright, so I'm going to use this darker shade right here. This isn't a black, it's more like a gray black. And then I'm going to go in with black. You don't have to, you can just go right into black. I'm just trying to create that transition. And I'm going to be using my C528. This is a small detail and crease brush. And I'm just going to create like a V right here. So making a line, kind of like I'm doing eyeliner. Making a line right here. And then just taking it right into the crease right here. So that can be like a base for the black. So if you're afraid to use black right off the bat, you can just use this darker gray shade, which is like a almost black. Now the last eyeshadow that I'm going to be using besides the glitter is this black eyeshadow, and this is Corrupt by Makeup Geek. This is like the blackest black out there in the game that I have found. I've had this actually for a while, so they probably came out with other blacks, but I really like Makeup Geek because it's just like jet black. So we're going to do the same what we did before. And I'm going to stop like right here. I don't want to take it all the way in. So like halfway. And then I'm going to take that C512 and just blend. And now I'm just taking MAC 217 and just adding that Corrupt a little bit more. Still doing that V shape just so we don't lose that. But I just took a bigger brush just to concentrate the color a little bit more. So like I did before in my holiday glam video, I'm going to be using glue and some loose glitter. This is a silver glitter that I'm going to be using, so I dipped it into the cap. And I'm going to be taking the glue and putting it on my lid and then pressing it with my finger like I did in the last video. And I'm just pressing it on like I did before. So pretty. I like this. Because it's like not too much, you know. Just enough. And also what I did in the other video, I'm going to be spraying my brush with the Mario spray. And just kind of like diffusing the glitter a little bit. Because since we put a little, we don't want to go too crazy. Alright, so now I'm going to be cleaning up. I'm going to be taking the Bobbi Brown makeup remover and this cotton round right here. You can use a makeup wipe. I just like to use eye makeup remover because I feel like it comes off faster because it's specifically for eyes. And I forgot to mention I did highlight my chest and contour it. I do have multiple videos on that, and I'll link them down below so you guys can see how I did that. So now I'm just going to be going right underneath. And I'm just going to be wiping away the glitter first, and then I'll worry about that situation over there. So now I'm just going to squeeze the little cotton round. You can also take Q-tips for this, but the cotton round I feel like is going to give me like a really nice line right under here. I folded it to look like this, like a little cake slice, I guess. And now I'm just going to go right under here. And if you want more of like a perfect line, you can use tape. I can show you guys how to do that. It's very easy. You just take the tape and you stick it here, and then it'll just give you that line so you don't have to worry about doing all of this. So if you guys want to see how to do that, let me know in the comments down below. So next I'm going to be popping on some lashes. These are the EYLURE MARQUISE Silk Effect lashes. I love these lashes. They're so wispy and they're just so pretty, and I think they're perfect for New Year's Eve. So I'm gonna pop these on and I will be right back. Aren't these so cute? I love these. These are so pretty. I did pop some mascara on my real lashes, not the fake lashes, just to blend the two. And now I'm going to be taking the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm just going to cover my lash band. I don't want to do a wing just because I like the wing eyeshadow effect we have. So I'm just going to be perfecting that later on. So I'm just going to cover the lash band. And I'm working in sections. I'm not drawing a line. I usually start right in the middle. And to make my lashes look a little bit thicker, I'm going to be tight lining with MAC Feline Pencil. And just going right underneath my lash line on the top. So I'm going to move on to foundation. I am using the same routine that I usually use. So I'm going to be doing it off camera and then I will be right back. Just because I want to focus on the eyes and the glow of New Year's. I will link everything in the description and I will be putting it somewhere up here just so you guys can see how I do my foundation routine. Nothing has changed. So yeah, I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have my foundation, concealer, bronzer on. So I wanted to show you guys how I was cleaning up. So all I did was I took my concealer like I usually did, and then I took my beauty blender and then just made the line a lot more crisp and even. So that's one way you can do it. Another way that you can do it is you can take a concealer brush, put your concealer on it, and then just draw the line. So now we're going to do underneath the eyes, so I'm going to zoom you guys back in so you can see what I'm doing. So I did keep some black under here, which I really do like. So I think under here I'm going to keep it a little bit lighter. I don't want to go so dark. And I have like a crease right here, so that's why I drag my eyeshadow so far down. I feel like it just looks better for my eye shape. So I'm going to be taking that C528 brush, that small detailed crease brush, and I'm just going to clean it off a little bit so there's no black on it. And I'm going to be taking this gray shade right here, and I'm just going to be putting it right underneath my eye. I'm going to just be putting it right here. See, I feel like for my eye shape, if I drag it that far down, it just looks a lot better. And now I'm going to take that same brush, and I'm actually going to be taking this dark shade. I'm not going to be taking that black. And just placing it right here in the edge. And so I'm putting the color here, and then I'm kind of flicking it into the other color just so it blends. And for this inner corner right here, I'm going to take this small C527 crown brush. See, it's like a really small, tiny pointer brush. So I'm going to spray my brush with the Mario spray and dip it into that lighter silver shade. Now I'm going to be taking that C512 and just blending underneath. And now I'm going to be taking this darker shade right here, and I'm going to be taking a smudger brush right here. And I'm just going to be going as close to my lash line on the bottom as I possibly can. And then we're going to be taking Feline again, and we're going to be putting this in the waterline. And I'm not putting it on the inner corner there. I'm just going to leave that bare. Now I'm going to be using my Giorgio Armani mascara. I'm still using my little sample. So I didn't do any blush. This is all just my bronzer. I want to keep the face really neutral. Girl, I need to blend out my forehead. What am I doing? Oh my god. So I'm just taking my foundation brush and blending my forehead because I completely forgot to. I'm a mess. For highlight, I think I'm going to use... These are just so blinding, you know? Like, I used to use this all the time. Like, now I'm looking at it and I'm like, what? This is Double Gleam by MAC. So I'm going to use this, but very, like, lightly. I'm not going to go ham like I usually do because I kind of want more of the focus on my eyes and I want to have, like, a little glow. So the one I have here is the Anastasia Moonchild palette, and the name of it is Star. So I'm not going to be putting that on my face. Might be too intense for me, so I'm just going to be taking the Double Gleam and I'm going to be like tapping it because I don't want to go crazy. So I'm going to be putting that right down my nose. And I did snatch my nose a little bit more just because we're going to be taking pictures. It's New Year's. We want to look A1. Now I'm just taking my setting brush and blending the crap out of it because, see, it looks so much better blended. I'm really liking this dramatic wing right now. Like, I'm feeling that. So the last thing that we have to do is just lips. So for lips, I have this liquid lipstick. I haven't used this in so long, and I used to use this literally all the time. I talk about this lip in my Fall Essentials video. This is So Me by MAC. and it's a really good neutral shade. I'm going to be using that with Cork lip liner. So for New Year's, you really want to wear a liquid lip so it doesn't come off. Like, you're going to be drinking, partying, and if you have a New Year's kiss, you don't want it to get all over them. So I think liquid lipsticks are perfect for going out and for holidays. And if you want a shade that matches the lipstick, Plum by MAC is really good. I just like a darker lip liner to give my lips more definition. And I'm just mushing it together just to blend the lip liner and the lipstick. I'm going to put on the BECCA gloss in Opal and just pop that in the center. So this kind of defeats the whole purpose of the liquid lipstick. So if you want something lighter, Burnt Spice is a really good neutral shade. I just don't have it. I'm going to do a little more, and I'm just going to do the bottom and then mush it like I did before. Oh yeah. I feel like the lip needs to be lighter, so I feel like I should pop this on. Let's see. Yeah. So I used like 5 lip products. Sorry. So if you want a liquid lipstick by MAC, a really good neutral shade that's like kind of like Honey Love, this is like my everyday lipstick that I use, then I would do Burnt Spice. Is a really, really good one. ColourPop also has really good liquid lipsticks that are very affordable. So I know that they sell them at Ulta now, so if you wanted to try that out for New Year's Eve, I would definitely do that. But yeah, this is the finished look. I'm just going to spray myself with my Scandinavia spray just because we're going to be out and we want to make sure that this makeup stays on all night, girl. I'm not going to spray it again. Oh God. Don't inhale. Ugh, that was disgusting. So yeah, this is the finished look. I'm going to go change into my New Year's Eve dress for the video, not for real life. And I will be right back. So this is my finished New Year's Eve look. I love this so much. I think it's so pretty. I love the glitter right here. I think that is like such a good touch. I think this look is so New Year's Eve. Like, even if you want to just do like a basic dress and have a dramatic eye, I think this is so, so pretty. And I love the lip, even though it's like 10 lip colors. I'm sorry. I love the glowy on the shoulder too. You know, I love glowing right here. You have to match, you know, like your face has to match your body. If your face is glowy, your body has to be glowy too. So yeah, girl, I'm feeling myself right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this New Year's Eve look. I hope you have a great New Year's Eve. I hope you have a good year. I want to start vlogging more so you guys can see more into my life. So you definitely want to subscribe so you don't miss out on all the good videos I have upcoming this year. 2018 was such a good year, but 2019 will be better. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be a part of my mermaid squad. Thank you guys so, so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great New Year. Bye.